Welcome to the Frickcast. Today we have 10 Dr. Squatch products we'll never see again. Squatch is an ever-expanding company, consistently innovating, adding new products to the menu. But while the website grows in overall size, there are some things that become lost to time. Products that have been discontinued to make room for improvement. These can range from limited edition soaps to products I'm willing to bet some of you never even knew they had. Well, today I have 10 such products for you that I don't believe we'll be seeing again. At 10, let's start with the OG Cologne. These two boys existed for years as the only two colognes before the new, reimagined ones dropped to take their place. They feature the same scents as the beard oils, going for a more natural scent, and of course used natural ingredients as well. The crushed pine and sandalwood bourbon were okay colognes. I never cared too much for them and didn't really find them to be all that strong, but the scents do live on in the beard oils for now. At 9, we have an obvious one, the Cedar Citrus flavor, the bar and deodorant. This brick existed as an OG for a long time. However, it would also be the first one to get discontinued. While the bar was often one of Squatch's most advertised, it was also one of its weakest, and although it did have its supporters, and still does, many found it to be underwhelming. What was meant to be a brick where zesty meets woodsy was instead just a very weak cedar scent. The bar and the candy orange scented deo were replaced by the summer citrus, and I doubt we'll be seeing them brought back anytime soon. At 8 is the hand sanitizer. This was an often overlooked product they had. There was two of them, the Mountain Mist and the Crisp Citrus, same as the hand soaps, which still exist for now. The Mountain Mist hand sanitizer I thought was great, but I imagine they just didn't sell well enough to really warrant keeping them around. At 7 we have the Spartan Scrub. This bar was a Halo collab, dropping back around Halo Infinite's release. The brick has those who love it and those who despise it, but no matter how you feel about it, it was a very unique bar, with a metallic Weapon Forge scent. With this collab long gone, and no longer relevant, I doubt we'll be seeing it again anytime soon. As far as I know, once a collab has been taken off the website, it has never returned at a later date. Speaking of collabs, let's talk about the Spidey Suds at 6. This was the Spider-Man collab. Unlike the Batman bundle, which has been around for a while, and the Star Wars collab that's been around for like years, this one did not stick around long. It went for more of a berry scent, and was an all-around solid bar. I was really surprised to see it removed so quickly. Maybe we'll get like a Marvel collab down the road, but I think this may have just been a one-time thing. At 5 we have those repackaged bars, the Herbert Fresh and the Dope Soap. These were collabs with Justin Herbert and whoever the other guy was. They were just repackaged versions of the Fresh Falls and Coconut Castaway, but they had limited time boxes. Since the collabs are over, I doubt we'll see these two again. However, I wouldn't be surprised to see future collabs like this, although I don't think they're too well received by the community. Next up at 4 we have the Stone IPA. This is the last collab we'll talk about today. This brick was a collab with Stone Brewing a while back, and the bar has since become a fan favorite. It was a solid bar with a citrus and hops scent. It also featured menthol, making it a great brick. This one's re-release has been speculated on over the years, but without anything concrete. I think it's likely it's just done at this point. Hopefully it does come back at some point though. At 3 we have a bar you may not have even known existed. The Spiced Pine. The Lost Brick. I didn't even know this bar existed until I saw New England Soap Review's video. I'll leave a link to it in the description. You should check it out if you want to know more. This brick was a part of a bespoke exclusive, which meant you had to buy one of their little boxes. Apparently the scent was something of a combination of bay rum and pine tar. Those who've tried it seem to really like it. It's a shame most Squatchers never had access to it, and considering this was way back, original packaging way back, I doubt they ever will. At 2 is a sad one, the Drunken Pumpkin. This Halloween boy has gone down in legend, with many considering it to be their favorite brick. It was Squatch's first Halloween bar, before the Brick of the Dead. It featured pumpkin butter, and had an amazing scent that was like fall, bourbon, and pumpkin all in one. The scent was so popular it was repurposed into the Wood Barrel Bourbon. While I'll be the first to say those two aren't the same bar, I think the similarities in Squatch's mind have made them completely write off the Drunken Pumpkin. It hasn't been re-released in years now, being the only limited time bar to never get the new packaging. I think it's a mistake to not bring this bar back. Clearly many people want it back, and even if it is close to the Wood Barrel Bourbon, people are still willing to buy it. I mean, they'll slap a new box on a Coconut Castaway and sell that, but not bring back the pumpkin? Maybe one Halloween it'll make its return, but I think if it was going to, it already would have. And at 1 is the Shave Kit. Did you know this existed? The Shave Kit featured this nifty mug, the brush, and a shave bar, the Forbidden Brick. I actually have a set of it I got a while back. I never used it though, so I can't really speak on that, but it looks cool and it seems to be good quality. The shave bar has a nice peppermint scent to it, honestly stronger than some of the bars. This was removed from the site quite a while ago, and it seemed to vanish without anyone really noticing, so I highly doubt it's going to come back. Let me know if you have one of these kits, or if you ever used one. And there you have it, 10 Dr. Squatch products we'll likely never see again. Let me know if you think any of these will return in the future. Which are you most bummed about? As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah, man!